What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Just wanted to hop on camera to you today to show you a little bit of results that I had gotten in 𝗖cie_HES. This is pretty much of a platform that helps you get leads on a daily basis. And you can be able to send out leads once every 24 hours. You can be able to send them out to 100 leads a day. And if you get someone on your downline, if you refer someone, and it only takes one person, you can have 200 leads that you can send out per day. So I'm gonna go here right in the back office and I'm gonna show you what type of results that I have gotten, and you guys can be able to have these same results if you implement exactly what I'm showing you and I'm sharing to you that it is possible. I know in the past a lot of people say that 𝗖cie secret doesn't work, and I'm here to show you today that it does work. You just have to be consistent, and you have to be able to show up every day so you can be able to start to see results and it can start working out for you. So I'm gonna hover over here. See right here, you see in the statistics right here of how many people have opened, and this is the dates, and this is somewhere like last week. You can see even on December 9th I had 714 had opened, 16.60 open rate, and you see 67 clicks. So you can see it right here that more people are opting in and they're actually seeing my emails. So you can send out these daily emails a day to all these different leads that comes in, and every 24 hours you get a new set of leads. Now these leads are scrubbed, meaning that they're not no reuse leads. These are leads that comes in daily, once every 24 hours, and you can see it in the back office. But for security purposes, I don't want to put anybody's information out there, so I won't go in the back to show you the names that pulls up once they regenerate. So I'm gonna just go ahead and skip that process, but I'm just showing you the results that I have gotten with that. So as you can see these dates right here, the 13th, the 12th, the 11th. I started getting 200 leads since the 8th. So that's when that lead came in. So I'm gonna go here to affiliates. I'm gonna show you on my downline, and this is how much I have earned, and it wasn't that long. I had hopped back on here about a couple weeks ago, and it wasn't that long until somebody had opted in. So once they had got in, then I have earned a commission. So like I said, you can see all of them right here too, out of each date that I have promoted and been selling these different mailing. You can see these different mailing statistics. So you could purchase right here if you want master emails, just in case if you don't want to write out your emails. If you don't know how to write any type of email copy, you can use this master email swipes. And they have like about at least 30 email swipes that you can use for any business, by the way. Like if you have any business that you want to issue to your leads, you can do so right here. It's about $59, my bad, to get that master those different types of email swipes. So that's pretty good right there. Here's statistics. Okay, so it shows you, like I showed you before, this is where your commission is going to be. This is who is on your downline. It can show you how many people on your downline that you can see, and it also shows you different levels too, because it got like 5 levels deep down. So that's real good. Yeah, so right here, you see your leads. This is like I said, an amazing tool for low cost. If you're trying to budget, this would be very suitable for you guys with the 𝗖cie. And like I said, you can send these emails daily. You can send out these daily emails. So I'm gonna show you also back here where you can send these emails. Like you could be able to I will show you the different copies that you can start off with. They give you about like 10. So let me show you. You see these right here? These are the different email templates that you start off hand. And you know, they have your your 𝗖liche affiliate link that you can put right there, and you can edit these things as well. They also have where you could be able to implement your picture. I have another video about that where you could be able to put your picture in and all that. But like I said, this is very, very useful. You could be able to send out these leads daily, 100, and if you get someone on your downline, you'll be able to get 200 leads a day. So they start to add up. They start to add up, but you must be consistent. You must be keep on, emailing out daily, so that you can be able to get those results. And they also have an affiliate program where you can earn commissions for also sharing the 𝗖liche website. And you too can also get the people to join up with you. This is something that you can use at the back end of your marketing. You can also use this for any primary business that you have. So that was just a little bit of a tutorial, and also the results to show you that this does work. Just by being consistent, you can actually see those results. All right, once again, this is Double Up with Astro. Also, make sure you guys, if you like to get started, click on the link in the description below if you would like to get started with 𝗖liche secret, and also like and subscribe to this channel. If this channel did any good to you, make sure you guys like and subscribe to this channel. All right, well, that's it for now. This is Double Up with Astro. Peace.